Alright guys, so today I thought of practicing my 3G welding position. As you can see, this is my pieces of iron which I've arranged in a blade form. So I've already tacked it and positioned it for welding. So here I'm going to test my electrode passage if it's free passage, and it was good. So I have now to start my welding. Here I've raised my current to 96. Never knew it was so high because it was my first time here. Striking my electrode has been so challenging for me. That's something I still need to work on. As you can see, I got nervous because it wasn't lighting up, and I discovered the fire was too high. So I turned the piece and reduced the fire to 60 ampere. Here you can see it was going. At this point it stopped. I never knew this dress came and obscured the view. It was a dress I used to shelter the sun above my head. Here is the result, 60 ampere. Wow, I was excited seeing this result because it was my first time. I believe next time I will improve. Here's a comparison, the first word and the second word. The first word of 96 ampere and the second word of 60 ampere. I discovered 60 ampere is good for the start. There you go, I completed the other hole. You see the first where the fire was too high, the heat was too high. Now I'm cleaning with my grinder. I make sure I always clean with my grinder. I remove the lags in my grinder. That's the result. That will be doing zigzag. Yeah. I now increase my current to 99 ampere. I wanted to put it at 100, but the thing was being somehow. There we go. Here now I was counting 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. I make sure I clean with my grinder. You can see the result. Oh yeah, it's not that bad. Please let me know in the comment section. You can also comment with some helpful techniques of how to go about it. I'm open for learning. A young welder growing. The third pass is a circular motion. I clean again with my grinder, as you can see. Please let me know in the comment section. Just tell me what you think. Any helpful idea? I'm open for learning. Now I have to weld out the two angles straight up. still at a power range of 99 ampere. Striking my electrode has always been challenging. That's something I still need to work on. So this day I practice 3G. My next practice session I'll still go in for 6G because I'm still lacking behind in welding pipes. Yeah, you see the result. The next pass will be in the middle. Please guys, I would like to hear your feedback in the comment section of how I need to improve in my welding skills. So at this point I changed my welding electrode from 3.5 there we go. I love welding. It's full of creativity. I believe with consistent training I'll be an expert, a pro in welding. I love this trade because it's full of creativity. You can also hashtag me to your videos for more tutorials because I always go online and watch some tutorials. Yes, you can also hashtag me when uploading a video like this so I can learn from your own videos. I'm open for learning. Thank you. I think this is the last training. See you in my next video.